Las Vegas woman is calling out Nevada's revenge porn law. She became a victim of the crime when her ex-boyfriend shared nude pictures of her. Although he faced over 30 charges, she says he walked out of court with just a slap on the wrist. David Charnes with our Las Vegas station talked to the victim about why she thinks this law does not work.
Donald Amick leaves court with a year of probation in an order to stay off social media.
I will never be the person that I was before.
But this woman, who's asked us to hide her face, says she's sentenced for life.
I will never have that secure feeling.
A life without privacy because of the naked photos Amick posted of her online.
How many photos and videos do you think there were?
Thousands.
She brought that claim to police, who say they found hundreds of images shared without consent. This report says Amick not only took nude photographs and videos, but posed as his ex-girlfriend under the name of Ashley, messaging random men and sending them her nude photographs.
You have an underlying trust that nothing will happen.
In all, according to court documents, police suspected Amick shared hundreds of nude and private photos of her alone. 48 images where her face was, quote, readily identifiable. With 48 images, they suggested 48 charges of unlawful dissemination of an intimate image. That's 48 felonies.
There was just so many accounts, fake people he pretended to be.
Metro Police filed a warrant for Amick's arrest in February 2021 under Nevada's revenge porn law. Police picking him up in his home state of Missouri that April. By then, the charges were reduced to 5 counts of unlawful dissemination of an intimate image. A judge initially setting bail at $5,000, but later agreed to let Amick go on his own recognizance. While awaiting his trial, Amick's ex-girlfriend says she received phone calls from random men and escort companies.
Just wanted to check in with you on that.
But a sentence or a plea isn't up to the Attorney General's office. It's up to prosecutors and judges. In Amick's case, even though prosecutors had accused him of sharing those intimate images, he agreed to a deal with a new charge. Attempted unlawful dissemination of an intimate image. 1 gross misdemeanor charge, 1 year of probation. The judge also ordering Amick to stay off social media for a year, something his ex-girlfriend has chosen to do. Chosen to, she says, because of someone else's actions.
So did this law work?
No, absolutely not. And that's what's the point of it if it's not changing and it's not helping any of the victims.
And that was David Charnes. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.